In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an item from your Shein cart, whether you're using the app or the website. We've all been there, browsing through countless styles, adding things to our cart on a whim, and then realizing maybe that fourth pair of shoes wasn't such a great idea after all. So let's dive in and make sure your cart reflects exactly what you intend to purchase. Firstly, whether you're using the Shein app or the desktop website, begin by opening your cart. This is typically represented by an icon that looks like a shopping bag or cart, located at the top of the screen on the app or towards the upper right corner on the website. Clicking or tapping on this will bring you to a list of all the items you have added. This is your chance to review everything you've been eyeing for your latest wardrobe refresh. Now scan through your list of items, scroll until you locate the item that you'd like to remove. Maybe it's that top that you realize you have nowhere to wear, or perhaps you're rethinking the color choice. Whatever the case, it's time to make a change. Next to each item, you should see an icon that allows you to remove it from your cart. On the app, this usually appears as a small trash can or says remove. On the website, it might also display similarly, a trash can image or simply the word remove next to the item description. Take a moment to locate this next to the item you want to delete. Once you've found the correct item, go ahead and click on the remove option or tap the trash can icon. This action initiates the removal process. It might require you to confirm your decision, ensuring that you didn't accidentally attempt to delete something you actually want to keep. After you confirm, the item should disappear from your cart. It's important to take a quick look over your updated list to make sure everything matches what you intend to keep. If you're satisfied and the unwanted item is no longer there, congratulations! You've successfully edited your cart to mirror your true shopping desires. This is an essential skill for any online shopper. Keeping your senses sharp and your cart organized ensures you'll only check out with items you love and need without any surprises when your package arrives. So there you have it, a simple yet thorough method to curate your shopping cart on Shein like a pro. Happy shopping, and remember to always double check your cart before heading to checkout.